Happy Tuesday, everyone. My name is Sung Park. These are my credentials. And here's my update for AddPicto. Just going to share my screen. All right, so we just made another release, which means I'm just going to refresh this. Make sure I am the right person. There we go. And now, when you launch AddPicto, there we go. All right, so you've got all of this stuff. So the update that I have is for the infographics. We've just have the default colors working as well as the edit selection. So I'll tell you, I'll just give you an example of what that means. So here's a blank screen. I'm just gonna pick shape like so, and let's again do cats. Select this little booger here, insert that masked image. Perfect. It's a little big, so I'm just going to make it a little smaller. And then I'm going to go to the infographics here and select, oh, I don't know, let's see if I can find cats. Nope, cat. Okay, that'll work. And let's say I want to do 1 or 3. And then I want to do 1. I want to do, ooh, can't do negative. Let's do 1.3. As you can see, as I enter in the data, the default colors come in. We're actually going to change it and show all of the default colors, mainly because we discovered that if a user changes this color, like so, whatever that may be, if the logic was that, when there is nothing in here, it defaults to the default color, then that seems kind of weird because when the user changes the color, there's no data in here. And so what happens then? Do we just still show the gray? So we thought that would be kind of complicated or confusing to the end user. So the new plan is that we're just going to show all of the default colors. But anyways, back to the original demo. So you can see that I've created some various things. I could change the directions of it. I could change the shape like so, maybe an outline. Great. I'm going to now insert that infographics. Perfect. It's a little big, so I'm going to shrink it down like so. Okay. Now, what I wanted to show you, actually, I want to show you multiple things. So first thing I'm going to show you is I'm in the infographics section. And then you can see here that says edit selection. Under the mask section, you'll see that edit selection here. So I'm going to be in the infographics section, and with this mask image selected, I'm going to then click on edit selection. It's going to take me to the mask. So essentially, it's going to be smart and take me to the correct editor so that you don't have to remember if that's the infographics or if it's a mask image. So wherever you're at, you could just select the item and say edit, and then it'll take you to the correct editor. Some other thing that I thought was kind of neat, which is an improvement, is just that now I've rotated this, this mask image. I've got that selected, and I'm going to insert. And when it updates it, you'll notice that the size is still the same. So now when I align it, you can see that it's the exact same size. Previously, we used the smallest of the two, width or height. We used a smaller size, and then made the mask image to that size, which meant it became smaller. So now you can change the rotation or whatnot, and it will retain the size. And again, if I am in the mask section, I select the infographic, I click on edit selection, and again, it'll be smart enough to take me to the infographics. And that is our update. And again, you could change this to, I don't know, like 7, let's do 10. Perfect. With that selected, I can say insert, and it will update that infographic like so. So we're still working on making the same kind of effect of the mask image. So what we would like to do is do the opposite for the infographics, meaning that whatever the smaller of the two, we want to use that. And the main premise is that we want to keep the icon size the same as you are changing the data on it. So that's kind of the plan. So that's going to be something that we'll be working on this week. We're also working on a few other things, such as being able to upload your own SVG shapes so that you're not limited to just the icons you see here. And we're also going to be working on trying to add more icons so that you could have a wider selection of icons to create your infographics. And that is all of the update for us this week. Enjoy the rest of your week, and I will talk to you next Tuesday. Bye. And stop sharing and end. Bye.